Good morning. This is Sudha Yadav from Spoken Classes. I am pursuing BA first year with I have joined Fluent Spoken Classes. It's my complete spoken classes. After that I will go to in biotech. It's my complete biotech. After that I will go to in UPSC. In UPSC because it is not my dream. It is my father's dream. I can't do without my father because he is a great person in my life. Because come what may, I will not just छोड़ना क्या होता है? Leave my father in future. It is my topic. Even now, it's my topic. Importance of English. I can't do without my English because it is most important of English. Even now, most present time, English is the most important of very most important. With it is most important of in future, with present time, with past time. I can't do without English because English I can't. I come what may, I will not leave English because English is most important of in my life. Nice sir.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Future goals here. Hello everyone, this is Rajan. First of all, I would like to tell you that about herself. She is a good girl, but I think so I should ask some question after I will think about that she is good girl or not. Okay, should I ask?
Yeah, you can ask.
Okay. So, in which village do you live?
I'm from Razekpur.
What's the personality of Razekpur?
It is west of village in Razekpur.
I think so there is no any literate person.
But even now he's not that's a literate person. But I think in future all person is a literate person.
Okay, so how have you thought about speaking this?
I think English is most important.
But why?
Because it is an international language.
So, if it will not international language, so you will not learn it.
I will not understand.
That means if it will not, you should listen properly. If it will not international language, so you will not learn it.
No, it is an international language.
That
but
is
it is not. Suppose that it is not international language, but I will learning in English.
Okay, who was the great speaker in our past time?
Yeah, I will want.
I'm not asking that. Who was a great speaker? Listen properly. Who was a great speaker in our past time? I can't tell you Hindi because I am in front of camera. That is my problem.
Okay, I don't know.
You don't know. So I would like to tell you, Bhimrao Ambedkar and Abdul Kalam was a great speaker because of they have a good power to speak. And Jawaharlal Nehru, he was speaking, but he was speaking only something. But Bhimrao Ambedkar was a great speaker because he has also written our constitution. So that is why our constitution has been written in English. So you should think, without English, how will he write? So you should know one thing, that he was our great speaker and he was also a supporter of SC and ST. You should know one thing, that he was also king of SC ST. People say he is a Messiah of SC ST. Why? Because of he has done many things. So if you will do also many things, so people will also know about his life. Why have I taken his name? Because of he was a great personality. And if you will meet this type of personality, so you can also great. I want to tell you in Hindi something. बड़ा वो नहीं होता जो बड़ा बन के रहे, बड़ा वो होता है जो किसी छोटे के बगल में हो जाए तो छोटा भी बड़ा बन जाए. So that is the meaning of it. If you want to become a big person and a great personality, so you should do many things in your life. Without controversy, you will not get many things. Okay, just bye.